water, salt, oil, food color, now add some oil. Now add a couple drops of food color. And now mix it. Add 1 cup of flour in this bowl, add 1 cup of flour in this bowl, add half salt in this one, add some more salt in that one. Okay. Some more flour on this bowl. Alright, time to add some salt, half in each bowl. And now mix it. You have to mix it very well. Play-doh is ready. You can store it in Ziplocs. You can make shapes out of this Play-Doh. So, you can make lots of other shapes. Well, please subscribe to my channel, like and share, and give a huge thumbs up. Bye for now.